Hello learners, my name is Naz and today I am going to teach you how we can use Vedic Maths to solve the questions of math with a lot of precision and in a very easy manner. So first of all, let us see what is the origin of Vedic Maths. So as you can see from the name itself, Vedic. Vedic comes from Vedas, and basically there are 4 Vedas in Vedic mathematics, which are Yajurved, Rigved, Samved and Atharved. So basically in Vedic maths we are going to deal with Atharved. So now we will see what is the purpose of Vedic maths. हमें Vedic maths की ज़रूरत क्यों है? So, the purpose of Vedic Maths is to become friend with numbers. And how you become friend with numbers? You become friends with numbers when you are in love with mathematics. That is, when you fall in love with it. Now, how you fall in love with mathematics? By understanding the nature of numbers. So now, let us talk about the concept of Vedic mathematics. Okay, so Vedic mathematics has come from 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, and it has been decrypted in 1950s by the founder of Vedic mathematics. Do you know who is he? He is Bharati Krishna Tirthji. Now let us see what are the 16 sutras in mathematics. Now you can see on the screen. When you see them, you might not be able to understand anything, but in a deeper sense, it will really help you to understand Vedic maths and to solve the problem of Vedic maths in a very simple and easy manner. So these are the 16 sutras, as you can see. Now, after knowing about the 16 sutras, let us see how you can solve certain questions based on multiplication and which are based on the first method, that is vertically and crosswise method. Now as you can see on the screen, we have taken 2-digit numbers, that is 31 and 32, and we will see that by using this method, which is based on Vedic mathematics, how we can solve this very easily. So as you can see that in the 10th place we have 3 and 3, and in the ones place we have 1 and 2. Now let us see how do we multiply this. Okay, so in step 1 you have to vertically multiply the numbers in the 10th place, that is 3 and 3. So we know that 3 into 3 is 9. Now comes crosswise multiplication. Now in crosswise multiplication, we will multiply 3 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So we know that 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3 into 1, that is 3, which gives you a sum total of 9. So our second number becomes 9. Now let us come to the third part, that is 1 into 2, which is in the ones place. So when you do 1 into 2, what you get? You get 2. So the number becomes 992, as you can see. Now it's time for you to stop the video and calculate based on the same method 21 into 14 and comment below. So let us see the steps to solve this problem. So in the 10th place we have 2 and 1. So we will multiply 2 into 1, that is 2. Now using the crossword method, we will multiply 2 into 4 plus 1 into 1. So 2 into 4 is 8, and when you add 1 into 1, that is 1, you get 9. So our second number is 9. Now let us move to the final step. So in the final step, we have 1 into 4, which is 4. So your number becomes 294. So what is the correct number? 294. So now let us see one more question which I would like you all to solve and match your answer. The next number is 22 into 12. So do solve this and tell me the answer and comment it below. Now let us see the solution of this question. So the question was to multiply 22 into 12. Again, if you look at the tens place, you have 2 and 1, and when you look at the ones place, you have 2 and 2. So to multiply this, first of all, let us multiply vertically, that is 2 into 1, which is 2, and then crosswise, that is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 1 into 2 is 2. So 4 plus 2, which makes 6. So your next number is 6. Now moving to the final step. So in the final step, we have 2 into 2, which is 4. So your total number becomes 264, and the answer is the same, 264. Now let us learn about one more very interesting method of Vedic sutras and Vedic mathematics, that is one more than one before method, in which we use the former numbers which should be same, whereas the latter numbers should become the power of 10 when they add up. So now taking the example of 43 into 47. So as you can see on the screen, the former numbers, that is in the tens place, is 4 and 4, meaning they are the same. And in the ones place, that is the latter numbers, we have 3 and 7. Now to solve this problem, in step 1, what we will do, in the first step, we will take the former number, that is 4, and we will add 1 to it. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So we will multiply 4, which was a previous number, with 5. So 4 into 5 becomes 20. Now moving on to the next step. That means the ones place numbers, that is 3 and 7. So you simply have to multiply them, that is 3 into 7, which is 21. Now combine the numbers together and your final result will be 2021. Now let us talk about one question, which is to multiply 56 into 54. So we will multiply this using the same method that I explained to you. So now in this method, take the former numbers, that is 5. So when you do 5 plus 1, you get 6. And now let us multiply the former number, that is 5, with the number 6. So 5 into 6, which is 30. Now in the last step, we will see the numbers which are the latter numbers. That means the numbers in the ones place, which are 6 and 4. So when you look at 6 and 4 and when you simply multiply them, you get 6 into 4, which is 24. So combining all the numbers, you get the final result of multiplication, that is 3024. So if you want to learn and explore mathematics, especially Vedic mathematics, in a fun and interesting manner, you can join our courses, and links will be provided to you for the same in the description box below. So join our courses, enroll today, and if you found this video helpful, do subscribe, like and comment on our channel Spring, where kids blossom.